Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about CHF JPY and the reason for which I want to break down CHF JPY because we are very near to having a good trading opportunities. Obviously capitalize on CHF JPY. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for CHF JPY and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analyze and sentiment analyze correctly. By the end of video, by using combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on CHF JPY. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now here on the monthly we can see the market currently testing an extremely strong monthly resistance zone. In fact, this market acting as very strong resistance here, proceeding this move to the downside and again very strong resistance here, proceeding this move to the downside, and again this market here and rejected this area to the downside and again here, and currently we are testing on this resistance area. Market can easily provide another rejection to the downside. This area is structurally very strong area. We can expect market easily move to the downside in the monthly time frame. What we can also in the monthly is that market just provide nice impulse and correction. Now generally speaking, after impulse market should create corrective pattern before continues to the upside. This is market exactly did. On this area have a very strong resistance area which is now turned into the support, because we were easily expected on this here market should move to the upside for creating impulse correction and impulse pattern. So here on the monthly market at the previous high we can expected market should move to the downside. Now going down into the weekly time frame, what do we see? In the weekly time frame we can see very strong resistance area. Market monthly time frame rejected on this resistance area. Another test and rejection, another test and rejection, another test and rejection, and another test and rejection. So basically what we have seen in the slowing down to the extremely strong bullish momentum that we had at that short of this move to the upside, meaning that will basically creating declaration in approaching this monthly resistance in form of this rising wedge. In this rising wedge we can see higher high and higher lows, creating little bit narrow to the upside. Now we can expect to market possibility reject this is soon to the downside. However, in the long term market is supposed to breaking this zone in the upside. Why it is supposed to breaking to the upside? Because we have seen on the monthly impulse and correction. After an impulse and correction, we can expect the market create another impulse, continues to the upside and breaking above the high. So what do we expect short term? Another rejection of this rejection, but in the long term we can expect actually breaking above the structure. Now going down into the daily time frame, what do we see? Here on the daily price action is at that moment quite clear. We have market just provided daily W formation. Now generally speaking, when you see W formation, what we want to see? The market create to downside to go and complete W formation at the previous resistance now turn into the support. Now here from the daily time frame, what we can expect, market should move to the downside to complete W formation. This previous resistance now turn into the support. Now if we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing. On the CHF, what we can see in the last report, net position has increased from 10k to 14.6k. Increased net position with 4.5k longs added in last report and 28 short getting close. Overall net position increase in CHF because CHF very stronger, and we can see in this clear price in with a nice move to the upside. However, if we going to see what we have JPY, we consider the JPY in the long term getting even stronger from 14k all the way up to 44.6k net position. Now in the short term, yes, net position decrease from 50k to 44k. But what we can see, overall short term longs are getting opened. Previous report we had 4.3k short open and 680 longs getting closed. However, overall the JP has been getting stronger in short term. If we consider on the both of CHF and JPY, overall market should move to the upside in long term, but in the short term market should move to the downside and retest that point before going to upside. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with code data are the best time frame for measure direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is the 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action in a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to 4-hour bearish market for the enter to valid sell entries. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.